Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Let's revise together. Say the vowel sounds here. A, E, U. Now add N in front of A, we get Na. Add N in front of E, we get Ni. Add N in front of U, we get Nu. So Na, Ni, Nu. They are the syllables. Okay, in Malay we call them suku kata. So here the suku kata is Na, this is Ni, and this is Nu. Let's practice some more. Na, Ni, Nu, Na, Nu, Ni, Ni, Nu, Na. The instruction here says tulis suku kata. Suku kata means syllables in English. For example, in this picture, I can see rice. In Malay, we say nasi. Nasi has two syllables, or we say suku kata. Yeah? Na and si. Okay, so here we are going to write na. N, a, na. Na, si. 1, 2. Two suku kata. This book is thin. In Malay we say nipis. So there are two suku kata. One is ni, one is pis. So here we are going to write ni. N, e, ni, nipis. Two suku kata. This is Nuri. In Malay, that's a parrot. So Nuri has two suku kata. What are we going to write here? Yes, we are going to write Nu. N, U, Nu. And we have Ri at the back. Nuri. Yeah? Two suku kata. Let's practice some more. Here we have A. And here we have a suku kata with two letters. This is Na. So put them together, we have A, Na. A, Na. Anna is someone's name. Here we have A. And here the two letters make Ni. Put them together, we have A, someone's name. Here we have E. And here, the two letters together, we say Ni. And we put them together, we have E, Ni. E, Ni. Ini means this. This is. Here we have E, and here the two letters make Na. Put them together, we have E, Na. E, Na. Ina is someone's name. Let's read this. We have two words. This is one word. This is another word. This word is E, Ni. And here, E, Na. So we read together and say Ini, Ina. This is Ina. Ini, Ina. This is Ina. So remember to keep trying. Okay, that's all we have for now. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.